Hey everybody, so got a quick oil haul, tool haul for the 4Runner. So I got them at Autozone. So please stick around, check out the video, and I'll see you guys there. Thank you for watching. Hey everybody, so this is going to be a quick video. I picked up some ADW90 gear oil. It says trans and diff lube on the bottom of the bottle. I've never used Lucas before. It just happened to be the only thing that AutoZone had in ADW90. But 2004 Runner requires actually 90 weight. But 90 weight's pretty hard to find. And I just didn't want to buy a 55-gallon drum of it just, to do my personal vehicle. I don't get a lot of vehicles in the shop that take ADW 90, nor do I get a lot of vehicles that take 90 weight. So I just picked these up. I don't know how well they'll work. I don't know much about them. The only thing I have used for Lucas is their red and tacky grease. I love their red and tacky grease for like U-joints, ball joints, stuff like that. I'm not really a huge Lucas fan. I'm not like I have to use Lucas for everything. But if you guys, anybody knows how well this works, let me know in the comments below. If you guys have used the heavy duty high performance. Doesn't matter if it's SAE 75 140, 75 90, 85 90, 80 90. Just if you guys used any variant of this, let me know. If you've used it in transmissions, what do you guys think of it? Have you had any shifting problems? Does it shift smoother? If you use it in your diff, how long have you had it in your diff without changing it out again? Just some helpful information. If you know anybody that has done a video on this that actually has pertinent information. I saw one guy on YouTube shilling for it. I got he's got like 100-something subscribers, and he got sent a bunch of stuff from Lucas. He's like, oh, well, I drained out the fluid in my 4Runner or my quad, and it was milky and this and that, and then he puts this in, and the only thing he states is, oh, it's so smooth when I push it now. And I'm like, well, of course it's gonna be smoother. You had milky oil diff fluid in it. There's more resistance. But if any of you guys have used this, anybody that's got a good video and what they like about it, let me know. But just a quick little haul. I think it was like $9 a quart. It wasn't really that bad. It was like $38, something like that, out the door with tax. At AutoZone. But appreciate you guys stopping by and watching. Please like, comment, subscribe, hit the bell notification icon for future updates. Go check out my Amazon affiliate links, and I'll see you guys on the next video. Peace.